In the last video, I told you about a couple of sheds, that we're gonna have delivered. And one of them is gonna be my gym, the other one's just gonna be a traditional storage shed. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put them directly on gravel instead of paving some kind of, concrete pad or foundation, which is super, super expensive, especially right now. So we're gonna gravel the entire area, which we already have done, level that the best we can. Then we're gonna put some leveling blocks, which are gonna be like half cinder blocks, on all four corners of both sheds, and that is going to be how we actually place the sheds. And of course, the sheds were supposed to be delivered last week, but there was a delay, so we had to wait until this week. So they should be here tomorrow. So I'm just doing a little bit of legwork now to get everything nice and smooth and level. So when the guys get here to assemble everything, it'll be a quick process. Hopefully. And right now we're just marking where we want them, where we want the shed with these rocks here. But I'm gonna go ahead and replace them with these blocks. All right, we're good for the shed. Next stop is the gym, which is also a shed, but it's gonna be a gym. Right now we just have these flags that are marking where this thing's gonna go. And this is a 10 by 20, so 10 this way, 20 that way. Nice big rectangle. You might be wondering why we're putting the gym shed so far out from the house, from the fence, to way out here. We have all this space. It's because we're concerned that the top of the gym is going to cause shade on our solar panels, and obviously we don't want that. So we're pulling it out a little bit further to prevent the shade on the panels. And what we'll probably do with this area is plant a garden or something here, because basically this is going to be free space. All right, today is the day. The guys have arrived with the sheds. Actually, with one of the sheds and then some of the other. They can only fit the smaller shed on the truck with just some components of the larger one. So they're going to come out tomorrow and finish up the bigger one. But it's happening. It's happening. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much are you looking forward to having a storage shed for all of our junk in there?
10.
10? Why is it not 12? Okay, fine, 10.
There they go.
Or they're
moving.
Oh, they're moving? Oh, I should probably tell them where to go then. And now I get to creepily inspect their work, because the window for the office is right here. Oh boy. I have exciting news. Mm-hmm. Oh boy, it's dark. Oh boy, it's dark. Let me move over here. Okay, okay. I have exciting news. Mm-hmm. Your shed's done.
Ooh, can we go see it?
And by you, I mean Or your shed, I mean the smaller
The storage
of the
shed.
two.
The one we're putting
Yes.
storage stuff in. Okay, can we go see it?
Putting what in?
The storage stuff.
What did you say? Uh-huh. And here she is.
Ooh. Oh, it does have a key.
Oh, it does have a key. The key's in it.
Nice.
Cool.
Ta-da!
Bare basic inside, but this is all we really need.
Yeah. This will work.
And we have some flooring for this too, that I got from my dad.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Mm-hmm.
We need to put that down before I start bringing all this stuff in.
That's right.
Get all the stuff from there away in, and all the stuff from the garage, and it's gonna be so nice.
Mm-hmm.
Probably put some shelves in here too at some point.
So we have a little ventilation here, which is nice. And we did pay extra for this insulation on the ceiling, or this barrier, I guess, solar barrier, to help some with the heat. And what surprised me the most about this whole process is they basically did everything here. I mean, nothing was painted. They painted on site. The door handle on the door wasn't even on. It was just the walls and the roofing was all separate. They just put everything together here. And this is an 80 square foot shed. So the gym that's going to be installed tomorrow, that's going to be 200 square feet. So about 2.5 times, if I did the math right, did I do the math? 2.5 times the size of this guy in the front of the house. But for now, this is exciting. Exciting.
I'm excited. I want to get the flooring so I can get some stuff in there.
Look at the shingles on top. That's cool.
And eventually we'll put gutters on there.
Gutters for rainwater? That's next?
Not next,
Or eventually?
but eventually. We want to let it rain on it a bit first and let all the stuff get off the shingles. But probably by the end of this year we'll put gutters on and have it collecting.
Oh, and by the way, this video is not sponsored in any way by Tuffshed. We paid full price for these suckers. So don't get the wrong idea. We're just showing you what we're doing here. Not sponsored at all. So Courtney's being a go-getter. She wants to start working on the flooring now. And we're thinking we're just gonna do it in the center, this flooring all the way back. And then both sides won't have flooring because I don't think we have enough. But that's where a bunch of crap's gonna be anyway. So just the center will be fine. So we're actually stepping on this nicer flooring instead of just the plywood.
How much more do we have?
We got a bunch.
Can I have it all?
There we go. I think that'll fit. Okay, so we just decided to use all of the flooring. As you can see, we got a good portion of it. We didn't get that, so we can order more and complete this whole area, or just call it good like this.
It's just a shed, so this will protect the area that we walk on the most. Otherwise, everything else is going to have shelves and bins and stuff, so I don't know if we really need it. We'll see. I do like this, though. This is a nice transition.
Yeah, that's nice. It's done. So this is the upgraded model. It's like the Ranch Premier, I think they call it at Tuffshed. Upgraded, nicer flooring. Yeah, let me just show you inside. Premier Pro Series, that's it. So you can instantly see much nicer flooring. The ceiling, we still paid for the solar barrier up there. We are going to finish this out with insulation and also drywall on the walls as well as the ceiling, so it looks finished. And again, this is going to be my gym, so I think my cable machine will be here, so maybe weights along here. I want this whole wall of mirrors and maybe a squat rack here. We'll see. But lots of natural light. Boom, 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 boom. All those. Paid extra for those. Windows on the sides. And 2 here. And this was an option to have windows in your door, which, as you can see, I chose. Comes with screen, so we could open them without getting bugs in.
Important.
So
I think this is going to be awesome.
Yeah, this will be enough.
This is a lot of space.
Yeah, this will be plenty for a gym.
Is a lot of, well, you got to think our house without the garage is 600 something, right? So
640 without the garage.
This is like a third of our house.
Yeah, that's right, isn't it?
Yeah. You need to mark which one's which. We're not going to know.
All right, well, that's it for this video. Lots of projects to do on this guy, but we're going to wait until after we go to Mexico, which is hopefully still on with flights and COVID and cancel. I don't know. We're supposed to go next week, so probably won't be a video next week, but the following week there may be. I think I might do a video series on converting a shed into a gym, because that's exactly what I'm doing. Yep. So anyway, that's it. Hope you're staying warm out there, and we'll see you next time.
We will.
Yay.
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 So far so good on the shade.